Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to explore some ideas to crochet for Mother's Day. I already have a part 1 that are knitting ideas, and yeah, so if you want to watch that, I will link here, and let's start this. So the first project is linen market bag. I know that this is a linen market bag, but doesn't need to be specifically for market. I think this would look great to the beach and for some holidays in summer. I think this looks really nice. Obviously, you can do this in whatever color you want, but I think these really brown and neutral colors, and I think it will look really nice for summer. I love this. I love that you have this net thing going around, and I really like the shape that is a round one. I really love it. I think it's really chic, and I really like how this looks when you have stuff inside the bag. Yeah, this is really cute. You can also do this. I really like this one in the more dark gray, I think, but I would prefer the brown one. And you have here all the patterns. So I found this website when I was doing some research, and I didn't know about this, and I think it's really great because they have the pattern, they have some images for you, and sometimes they have some tutorials, which is really helpful. And I think yeah, you can buy these yarns to do this specific project as well, so you have everything in one platform. So I think it's really cool. And yeah, now we have a granny square blanket. One thing that I love about crochets is granny squares. I think they are really fun. They are really nice for you if you are starting, because you learn different types of stitches, and you work on color work and how to change colors. And then when you are going to join everything, I think that's a really nice practice. I did one balaclava in granny squares and I loved it. So yeah, I also love the colors of these, and I think your mom would appreciate. This is really cute. And obviously, if you are doing to a specific person, it could be your mother and your grandmother. In Mother's Day, I always give a present to my grandmother as well. And you can match the colors with the house vibes that they have. So yeah, and here you are going to learn how to do color work, so I think you'll be fine. I think it's a really nice project. Oh, I love these ones as well. These ones could be even for Valentine's Day. Oh, this is really cool with the blue ones. So yeah, they also give you these ideas. I really love the first one. I think it's really sweet. Looks really cute. Yeah, this is great. And then we have another blanket. I really love giving houseware, and yeah, because every day the people are going to go around the house and remember of you, and I think that's cool. And I think your mother will like it. So I like this specifically because of the color work that we have in the middle, and yeah, I love this. And as well, you can match these with the vibes and their aesthetic. For example, my mom loves pink, everything pink. So yeah, I think this will look really cool. Oh, I love this idea. So we have here jewelry dishes. I never thought of this when I was thinking on doing a gift for someone, and I think they are really cool. They can be really aesthetic, and as well you can match. I really love these earth tones, these earth colors, and I like that you have the different sizes. Let me see. Oh, again, they have the materials here, really helpful. Yeah, and then they have a pattern for each size, which is really cool. You have like a ball as well, so yeah, love it. And then you have some placemats, and as well I use these a lot, and I really like the work here, the stitch and the little bit of color on the edge. And as well, if you're starting to crochet, I think this is a really cool idea. Yeah, because you learn how to crochet in the round. And then we have these pot holders. They also have a knitted version, which I thought it was really cool to have the two versions, and these are really cute for summer. Again, if you see these on a family lunch or a family dinner, you are going to eat outside and it's really hot outside and it's really nice, and then we have a lot of color on the table. I love it, and I think these are really fun. So guys, I hope that this was helpful. I had so much fun looking for these, and I really love this platform. So if you need or crochet everything, just let me know, and again I will update you if I do one of these. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And if you would like to see the part 1, I will leave this here so you can watch it. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!